Alright, welcome to Classic Car Cave. So I'm just putting up a little video of what's going on with our apartment up in Vienna. There was a water leak from a pipe, from a steel pipe that was actually in the wall. And we didn't know it was leaking. We're not sure if it's weeks or months. It could be months, in fact. And what's happened is it's slowly gone through the concrete part of the wall. It's gone down underneath the flooring, and because obviously when the floorings are put down, they use a special slurry to make it level before the boards go down, and it's actually crept across onto another wall, and the damage is quite significant. So the problem is my wife has her office up there as well, and she kind of goes backwards and forwards to Vienna like I do as well, but she more. And so the only kind of safe haven at the moment is the two bathrooms and the office, where she can shut the door from all these heaters and dehumidifiers and God knows what. Anyway, the bottom line is they're going to have to tear up a lot of the flooring to get the dampness out. In some places, it's off the scale 99.9, so they're going to need a lot of work and a lot of time. Hopefully they can do it in one shot. But recently we've found out there's a neighbour across the road, a family, and they've been in a hotel for the last 3 or 4 weeks. It happened in their bathroom. Again, it wasn't their fault, it was something that was inside the pipework, and obviously somebody's seen it and just kind of covered it over. But you know, it's the way it is. I suppose it's that, you know, I hate to use the expression, you pay peanuts, you get monkeys. Not everybody gets low paid as a monkey, of course not. It's ridiculous. But the problem is what happens is when you pay people minimum wage, they'll do what they have to do just to collect the wage, and they're already pissed off and annoyed, so they won't go that extra yard. It's actually false economy in the end, you know. I've got a friend who's just recently qualified as a HGV1 class 1 driver. And I think he's making like $12.50 an hour, which is ridiculous. And he actually spent 2,000 and a bit just to get the license, not off the government, off his own back. Crazy. I mean, I'm sorry, that £12.50 an hour is nothing. I'm not for carrying it, and not for driving a truck on the roads. And he's tramping as well. I can't get extra for that. But even so, I think that's a tiny wage for an HGV1 driver. There you go. Anyway, just wanted to show you the video to show you what's going on, and I'm sure it's going to go on for some months still. Take care. So I'll take you around and show you all the issues and problems. So this is our lounge. We can see it start to pile up with stuff. So all these floors are tiled, so that's not a problem. So this is where it all starts with these wood floors, and they've only been down 20 years plus. They're in really good condition. We've looked after them, but you know, they've got to pull everything up. So from my understanding, they're going to take up this one. These are all the boards that were wet. They're trying to dry out. We've got 3 or 4 of these machines running. I'm not sure about the bedroom, unless they put some kind of barrier across there. But the problem will be is they're going to have to they want to take all these fitted in wardrobes, and as you can see there's a false ceiling with these what do they call them, starlight things. They've got little fibre optic lights in it, so all that lot's going to have to come out all the way around to here. This side's no problem, but that lot's got to come out because I want to check if there's any mould or spores behind there, so that's got to come out, and consequently maybe the floor. You can see now it's going to start building up. Fortunately this one's okay. This is our second bathroom. And this one seems to be okay, so there's been no problems. There's no problems on that wall there, which I don't think there is. So this is okay, so these rooms, so this one, this lounge room. All this has to be redone, reboarded. This is the main wall here against this, so I've got to take all this out. This is the one that's really done here. And you might be able to see the board there is already. I don't know if you can see it. It's already lifted in there. See that? So then we go in. This is the dining room with all these machines running. It's like a hothouse in here. So they're taking part of the kitchen out, but they're going to take everything apart from that side, possibly, I don't know. But certainly going to take out the fridge, the cooker, all that stuff. And then all this dining room has to be redone. New floors everywhere. You can see they put a couple of stilts in here because all this stuff's lying here. So this lot's got to come out. All this. It's a shame because it was in good condition. Hopefully you can see inside that. You see where that's been chiselled out? That's where the water leak was, inside that wall. If it had been a few millimetres away and been on our side, it would be down to us. But it's quite a mess in there and it's damp. See the boards have pulled up. So this floor was completely put into the corners all the way around before this kitchen was put in here. So yeah, it's all got to come out. Anyway, okay, so this is a meter to check dampness. You can see, so I put it on. That's brick, you can see in the corner. That's wood or plasterboard. So you can, just a minute. You can see there, it's good. This is where and then on the wood, on the brick, which is that one, you can see it's off the scale, 99.9. I think it gets better up here. 93, 99, 91. So, yeah.